Assalamu alaikum. My name is Isha Islam and I am from class 8 Isha. I have used a thermocol sheet, a heart chart and many other things to show you the sketch of the global warming. Do you know what is global warming? The phenomena of the gradual increase in the average temperature of the earth is called the global warming. The purpose of my project is to show you is to alert the people about the effects of the global warming. Hope you like it. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Mirab Yasir and I'm Mulam Zohra. We have built a steam robot using cardboard, glue gun, plastic pipe and different machines like DC motor and batteries. You can look robot's eyes can shine bright as a star. Let me show you. And now I will show you how the smoke comes. First you need a lighter. Put on the fire. And then you on the button. And then the smoke will come. We hope you like our model. Thanks.